In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Wealthfront app on your mobile device, whether it's iOS or Android. This process is straightforward and quick, making it easy for anyone to get started with Wealthfront right away. Let's dive into it. To get started, the first step is to open your mobile browser. This can be Safari on an iPhone or Chrome on an Android device. Once you have your browser open, your next move is to search for Wealthfront app using Google. This search will help you find the direct links to the app on both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. After you've typed Wealthfront app and click search, Google will provide you with a list of results. Now you want to quickly scan through these options to find what you need. Usually the app links are right up top in the search results, so they're easy to spot. You'll often find direct links that say Wealthfront app, App Store for iOS devices, and Wealthfront app, Google Play for Android devices. Clicking either of these links will take you directly to the respective App Store page. Once you've decided which App Store you're downloading from, it's as simple as clicking on the link that suits your device. For iPhone users, click on the link that takes you to the App Store. For Android users, you'll want to head to the Google Play Store. Upon reaching the App Store page, you'll notice a download or get button prominently featured. Go ahead and tap on this button to initiate the download process. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network to make this download quick and seamless. While the app is downloading, you might want to check out the app description and user reviews to get a better sense of what Wealthfront offers or see the experiences of other users. This is not a necessary step, but can be helpful for new users. The downloading process usually only takes a few moments, depending on your internet connection. Once the app has downloaded and installed, you'll see the Wealthfront icon appear on your home screen, ready to be used. Simply tap on the icon to open the app, and you can proceed with either signing in to your existing account or setting up a new account if you're a new user. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded the Wealthfront app on your mobile device. It's a quick and easy process, enabling you to start managing your finances efficiently right from your phone. Thanks for following along, and happy financial planning with Wealthfront.